Welcome to Curb Defender. This video will show you how to set up and install your Curb Defender so you always know precisely where the curb edge is. Curb Defender is comprised of two pieces of galvanized sheet metal. Remove plate A and B and place them together. Insert the bolt from the bottom. Then, affix the wing nut to the bolt as shown. Don't fully tighten the wing nut just yet. The Curb Defender should be able to move freely. Place Curb Defender over the desired curb or Belgian block section. Push both plates A and B together and make them snug. Tighten the wing nut hand tight, but don't over tighten it. Finally, insert a standard driveway or snow marker into the opening of plate B. That's all there is to it. Repeat the same procedure throughout other critical locations on the property. Curb Defender ensures that your snow markers are in the right spot every time, helping you avoid unnecessary damage. Works great marking tricky spots like turns, islands, and curves, and creates a visual perimeter that truly defines the line. Curb Defender. Define the line.